Hey everyone, welcome back! If you have backyard chickens, you probably know that raccoons can be sneaky little bandits trying to get into your coop at night. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep them out and protect your flock. Wild raccoons will do what it takes to get inside a coop to kill and eat chickens and the eggs. First things first, your coop needs to be fortified. Raccoons are smart, strong, and excellent climbers, so here's what you need to do. Use an 1/2-inch hardware cloth wire instead of chicken wire. The reason is because raccoons can tear right through chicken wire. Bury your fencing at least 12 inches deep to stop them from digging under. Secure doors with raccoon-proof latches. Spring-loaded or carabiner latches work best because raccoons can open simple locks. And don't forget to cover the top of the run. Raccoons can climb right in if it's open. Remove any pet food left outside. Also remove any water source. Raccoons are looking for an easy meal, so don't make it easy for them. Bring extra feed inside at night to remove temptation. Use treacle feeders or gravity feeders that only open when chickens step on them. Be sure this is placed inside the coop. Now let's talk about scaring raccoons away before they even reach your coop. Motion-activated sprinklers or lights startle raccoons and send them running. If raccoons keep coming back, use smell-based deterrents. Place ammonia or vinegar-soaked rags near the coop. Just keep them away from the chickens. Sprinkle cayenne pepper or garlic spray around the coop. Raccoons hate the smell, but chickens won't mind. If raccoons are getting aggressive, you might need to trap and relocate them, but check your local laws first. Some areas don't allow it. And that's it for happy chickens! With these steps, your chickens will be pretty much safe and sound from raccoons. I say pretty much, and that is because you never want to underestimate a raccoon. They are sneaky and very smart. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Have you had raccoons try to break into your coop? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.